Hi, my name is Mia Shantae, owner of Lift and Flow Performance. Today we have the lovely Miss Shay as our demoer today, and we're going to go over the greatest stretch ever. This particular stretch has several different names, but I learned it in high school from my coach on the track and field team as the greatest stretch ever. And I've added some things to it as I've learned more about stretching in the body. This particular stretch is a catch-all. So if you're very tight on your warm-up and you want to get in and get out and hit multiple joints and multiple muscle groups, do this stretch. I do it all the time and I absolutely love it. Okay, so to begin the greatest stretch ever, you're going to start with a lunge. Let's go ahead and lunge with the right leg forward. And this is a stretch lunge. Go ahead and put your hands on your hips just for now. And when you're in this position, you're going to take this butt cheek and you're going to really press this, squeeze this butt cheek. What it's going to do is it's going to extend your hips. You're going to press those hips forward. Note that we're not leaning forward. The movement is going down and stretching through this hip. Now you're not going to stay here forever. You're going to sit here for about 2 seconds. From there, what I like to go into next is a little spinal extension. So we're going to take hands by the side. We're going to take a deep inhale, exhale, up, and bringing it back as far as you can go, and you're taking your arms with you. Again, you're not staying here. And then exhale, bring those hands down on the inside of this thigh. Good. And then you're going to take this hand, your outside hand, you're going to follow it with your eyes as you twist up toward the ceiling, following with your eyes. And this twist is going right through this T-spine right here, and take it right back down. Straddle that front leg, and then slide this back leg in. And we're going to get a nice hamstring stretch here, aiming your boobs to your thigh. Again, just 2 seconds. So then Shay will come up to standing. She'll repeat this movement with the next leg. So let's just go ahead and step back and start over. So now we're going to start leg out into a nice lunge, squeezing this butt cheek, pressing that hip into the ground. Deep inhale. Exhale, taking this back. So we're stretching through these shoulders here as well as through this thoracic spine. And then we're going to come down on the inside of your leg. And then we're going to twist, keeping this arm straight, and you're twisting through your rib cage here. I don't want to just see this arm coming back and you're here. We want to twist through that rib cage and come down, straddle that front leg, straighten this leg out, good hamstring stretch here, and come up to standing. I typically like to do somewhere between 4 to 6 of those on each side. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Go ahead and hit some muscle activation and get right into your workout.